shit. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's... Uh-oh. Hey, AJ. We're going to do Shut up.
Right here.
Yeah, I got you.
This is fucking cool, man. It's a little chilly, but this is fucking cool.
We're running over for water.
If I remember correctly, this goes straight into downtown, doesn't it?
Yes.
Oh, big ass pothole. Damn, it's warm over here.
I peed.
Oh.
This is so fucking cool.
That's cool, the railroad tracks right there.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part because you can see downtown off in the distance.
They're trailblazers, the midnight trailblazers.
That's what we are.
The midnight trailblazers.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice. Whoa, dude, this shit fucking cool, man. Look at that shit. Oh shit. Back tire kicked that ball.
It's a little bumpy.
Oh. Imagine we had the cops on us, bro. We'd be turning off our lights just like, blah.
This is pretty fucking cool, dude.
Dude, this is not right.
Dude, this is literally what the GPS is telling me to do.
That's so weird. The way that I did it, I went up on this trail right here. Yeah, remember? Because we went around this.
No, this is the way we came out last time. We're going back where we came from.
Yes, but how the fuck did we get under the bridges?
We're going back the way we came. Yeah, see, look. This is just navigating us back to that field again.
Damn, dude, gas is at $4 here.
Alright, follow me. Alright, taking the Lloyd. Do not enter. Well.
We just breaking all the damn rules. Sorry, people, to all the sleeping people. Motherfucker, it's a damn Saturday night. Y'all motherfucker be up playing poker.
Play what?
Playing poker.
Man, look at this house right here.
It ain't got all the car garage space you needed.
Let's be staying one way.
Dude, this shit. Loud ass mopeds downtown, man. We're gonna do trouble, dude. Did you see that security man?
Where?
It was at the golf cart back there.
Man, that was a good one.
Oh my god. This fucking thing's so peppy, dude. It's like, it's so unpredictable.
Got some pep to it?
Hell yeah. Go give me your wieners, boy.
Give me my wieners?
Yeah.
What the hell you want me to give you my wieners for?
Fur.
In the right lane.
You gotta say fur, not for. Fur. That's the right turn. This is right.
No, it ain't.
It said right on me.
Play it on his phone. Pay attention.
Pay attention.
That's the bridge we went over.
Yes. Alright, the cop is behind us. Cop.
There's a cop behind us.
Yes. Act natural.
Act natural.
Act natural.
Get over to the left.
Left.
Yeah, get on the left-hand side.
Oh, dude.
Oh, no,
damn.
no. I didn't say take a left.
You said get on the
left
left.
side of the lane, dude.
Oh.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
You said get over to the left.
Act natural, and here you are about to
Shut
go
up.
over the damn
Shut up.
mountain.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Look. Shut up.
Wrong
You
path.
said take a left. You said get over to the left.
I said get to the left side of the lane. Okay. Maybe I said.
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't specify it. That's pretty cool, by the way.
You're pretty damn cool. Look, no, don't even change the subject now.
Change what subject? What the hell are you talking about? This dude needs to stop playing on his phone. Pay attention.
Oh, shit. He's playing Pokemon Go. Hey, look, that's where we ate.
Where?
The deli, right there to the right.
Yeah, I see that, man.
We had that damn deli right there.
Oh my goodness, I got a fart.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Woo! You wanna drag race?
You'll beat me.
No, I won't.
Yeah, if we're doing a top end drag race, then you'll lose.
Oh shit! Alright, we need to slow down.
Yes, we do.
Hey, this is a ride only. That's what it looked like. Where's you at, cut?
Right behind you.
You better hurry the hell up. You ain't making that light. Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, come on. Fuck. No one fucking stay running.
I went there before. Quanto Basta. Oh shit! He freaked out when he saw that. That was impressive.
That was pretty tight. That was impressive. That was nice.
Time for a new tire. Oh, you can smell it too.
Yeah, dude. He was giving me the Carolina squat. You know, the Carolina squat wave. Oh my god.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh fuck, we're blasting it. We broke the law. Out of them. Whiskey dogs.
Dude, this is beautiful.
It is beautiful. You're
beautiful. Look at that old ass damn house right there.
You think this guy's picking his boogers? He won't look at me. Look at me. Look. He won't look at me. Anybody else want to look? Hey.
Hell no.
I'm waving. They don't care. I can't believe you fucking did a burnout, dude. How did you do that?
Pinch the seat with your legs and lift the back into the bike a little bit.
I can't do it.
Lean forward. You gotta pinch the seat like this, dude, with your thighs and lift up on it like this. See? I hope I didn't fuck my tire up too bad.
No, dude, you did it. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hey, AJ? Hey, AJ.
What is it, man? What is it, dog? I can't wait to come down here with my built bullet. My built 79 bullet.
Yeah, I'm tired of doing this.
I don't blame you. Taking a right, she said go around. She said go around. Taking a right. Fuck your electric scooters. Wow, I can't hear myself. That was kind of loud. Whoops.
You're a dick. You're an asshole. Can't
What
believe
about it?
Wow, man, look at that shit, dude.
Interesting humans, huh?
Suck.
That's pretty hot, sir. Now getting back to the lid.
Oh shit! Bow, 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 my damn face, damn it!
This bike is too much for this little town, bro.
No, my bike is too much for this.
Yeah, they both are. Yeah, they both is.
Yeah. What side do you want it?
I don't remember the hash your phone, but being that big.
It's Atlanta.
Is that
Yo,
right
that's
right
fucking
there?
sick, dude. Oh shit. Guys, police?
Campus police. Mother of God.
Mother of God.
You guys, police?
Campus police. Mother of God.
You guys, police?
Take a right.
You keep giving direction to the dyslexic man. And the dyslexic atheist said, there is no dog. You about made me wreck. Dude, look at this.
I figured you like this. Is this not what you wanted to go under?
That's not what I was talking about, but yeah, it's pretty tight. Oh yeah. Yeah. Superman the whole time.
Make a left.
A layup.
Yeah, make a left right here. Oh, we can't make a left right.
What are we doing?
Oh, no.
What are we doing?
What do we do?
We're gonna die.
Ah! We can't go straight.
All right, take a hard left. Hard left. Go, 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 go.
No. We can't. We gotta go that way.
No, look, fucking jump the fucking.
I can't. My exhaust is. That one is too low. Oh shit. Yeah, we can go that way.
That's what I'm fucking saying, bro.
You're so retarded.
I'm stopping in the middle of the road, damn it, AJ.
Right here, sir.
We're going
to left of this one.
We're going to prison. You're gonna drop the soap, and I gotta be your bitch.
Better that than, you know, whatever the alternative is. I don't even know what it is. Okay, instead of saying I'm going left, I'm gonna say I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, yes.
And you'll still go the opposite
Yes.
way.
It's not good when you give me wrong direction.
Is it okay now? I think we go straight.
No.
I think he took your wallet. I think he took his wallet.
Sam University.
Oh man, you start busting out. You're busting out on your microphone. Tune turntables and a microphone. I know it's busting out. Busting out! You're busting out! What the hell that is? That's sewage! Yo, I'm a rev battle him.
You're gonna do what?
He ain't having it. He's a badass. He is not having it, bro. Having some food. Dude, don't nobody want to look, bro.
Ain't nobody wants to.
Oh, you think he wants to smoke, AJ? I don't think he wants to smoke.
That's pretty damn neat. Winston Cup.
In my dream car.
Yeah, there's one right there. Right the hell there, man.
It's on a Superbird with a big ass wing on the back. There we go. We got it. Woo! Thank you. I love you.
The truck. Got it!
Get it.
Dude, everybody's looking at us.
Try not to die. What are we doing?
Yeah, me too.
What are we doing?
We are going straight. We basically are just staying straight on this road.
Oh my god.
You're jaywalking some bitches.
Hey, look, there's an arcade right there.
What the hell?
Oh shit, we were blasting it. Oh, he's coming. He's 100% coming. AJ. Kind of scared, AJ. We're gonna see the blue lights.
I'm a little scared too.
The blue lights, AJ.
That would be an interesting adventure, but
I'm not trying to get a ticket on my moped. You're gone. There it is. There's the power band we're all waiting for. Yeah. Bro, I kind of want to save the adventure of Salem Lake, but I think we need to get more people for that.
we do. We need to have like a big group.
What if we get like halfway through and then some shit happens, like somebody's bike?
Oh yeah, it breaks down. Well, we should bring some tools with us.
I got a book bag for Firsties.
Oh, there's a bridge.
Yeah, this is where the one Steven almost got clotheslined on.
I don't care what anybody says. Rowdy Mopeds is the bomb diggity. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Yeah, I about did. I saw it last minute and kicked left. We need like a trail light. Dude, your freaking, the new light you just got.
Yeah, that thing will last 4 hours, dude.
Dude, and this, whenever we need it down here is when
We should get another one. Put it on your bike, too. And we can literally just zip tie it to the frame.
Yeah, zip tied to the frame, and then just whenever we're blasting it through trails, turn that bitch on.
Davidson!
Holly Brum Davidson.
Probably feel pretty comfy.
I mean, dude, this fucking bike as it is right now, this is perfect for trails. I mean, perfect.
Yeah. You need that exhaust, and then you need to put a bigger front sprocket on it.
Yeah, because I think that I could leave you in these trails.
I mean, during the day, I just can't see it.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
My eyes are getting old and tired.
But we're never gonna know what it's like to drive through these trails in the daytime.
I mean, we could fly through here and play some Initial D music.
Piss off a lot of people.
Running in the night.
Dude, I'm telling you, anytime I play that music, bro, I'm just, it's basic.
You can't not slow when you're listening.
You can't, dude. When you turn on Initial D theme music, I mean, look, watch this. I mean, look at that. Look, perfect example.
I think we're approaching the end.
No. Wait, what if we take the? What if we just keep going straight?
Oh, there's a fucking tunnel.
Secret tunnel. Oh, the mountain. Secret tunnel.
I haven't been back here yet.
I haven't either. This is new land. AJ, I'm kind of scared. What if a skinwalker comes and gets us? I don't like this. God dang, AJ. Basically stopped.
Oh, look. There's a chain there.
Dude, I would have drove fucking straight through it knowing my dumb ass, dude.
Probably so. Oh, shit.
We're going off-road adventures. Off-road adventures. Alright. Well, hey, dude, we can hit that train. We can hit that trail right there. Cause that's right where we just took a right.
Yeah, we can talk about entering it.
Yes.